we're just doing the pre-flight checklist now. So we're gonna start. Bruce,
Yes.
go ahead. Pre-flight checklist.
Pre-flight checklist. Oxygen.
Tested 100%.
Tested 100%. Flight instruments.
Heading 216. 216. Standby heading 216. Altimeters QNH 1020, indicating 300 feet. Standby 1020, indicating 310 feet.
Heading 216. Altimeter 1020. 300 feet. Pre-flight checklist complete.
Check.
Good job.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's it. That's our pre-flight checklist done. Just waiting now for the doors to close, and we'll be on our way later.